Bonjour, hi everybody. My name is Ruby. I've been a Montreal professional guide since 1992. And I've been offering customized private tours because when I travel, I really like to get memorable experiences that other people cannot experience without a licensed professional guide. Some of the tours that I offer are very simple, like walking tours in Old Montreal if it's your first time. I also offer evening walking tours, which are hugely popular as I introduce the projections on the walls that are actually telling you stories. If you don't like walking, that's okay. I also do driving tours. We can also hire a limousine, a sedan, or if you're really adventurous, and I also offer helicopter tours in Montreal. Some of the other themes that are included in my tours are my favorite, of course, which is food. Who doesn't love food? And all of my food tours will always end up at the market. Are you a photographer, an amateur photographer, or you just want to have really great selfie pictures? Well, you can join me for a photo tour of Montreal, and especially in the fall, you will absolutely adore and love the colors. So I want to invite you all to join me. Follow me, and anytime you're in Montreal, I will be more than happy to take you around so that you feel like a local. À très bientôt. See you soon.